All right, let's say you're doing push-ups and you get shoulder pain while you're doing the push-ups. What can you do to get that pain to go away? In this video, I'm gonna share a couple exercises that'll help you get rid of shoulder pain from doing push-ups. My number one recommendation is to do some pec stretches. Do this against a wall. You can do this at different angles. Have your palm facing forward, have your palm facing down, and open it up. Open up the chest muscles. You wanna go for at least 60 seconds aside, and make sure you explore and find any of those tight angles around your chest and shoulders. Whenever my chest gets super stiff and my anterior deltoids get super stiff, it leads to shoulder pain. So I always make sure that I do enough stretching there. It might be 2 sets, it might be even 3 sets per side. You got to experiment, make sure those things open up. Super quick interruption. I just want to say Happy New Year, Happy 2022. If you want to support Upright Health in 2022, please check out the description box for helpful links. End of message. Number 2 recommendation is a lat stretch. A simple way to do this is with a handrail or the banister of your stairs at your house, or even a doorknob or door frame. Just grab a hold, pull away, open up the rib cage, open up the armpit, and just get deep in there. If you want a more advanced version, you can do this on your couch or use a bench or chair. Put your elbows on there, put your hands next to your head, and focus on keeping the low back rounded as you drop your chest down towards the floor and feel a big stretch in the armpits and along the rib cage. If you lean to one side or the other, you can also get more stretch into each side and focus on the stiffer, tighter side if you have one-sided shoulder pain from doing your push-ups. Whether you're doing the lat stretch with one arm at a time or you're doing it 2 elbows on a bench, you want to hold for around 30 to 60 seconds each side. That's going to help you open up the muscles and get them used to stretching out and elongating. Doing 2 sets is a really great idea and a good way to start, and doing it as many times throughout the day as you can tolerate will work really well. Pairing up these 2 stretches to open up your shoulders over the course of a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or more if you're really stiff, is going to help your shoulder mobility a lot. It's going to help the muscles of the shoulder control the shoulder joint so it doesn't hurt when you do the push-ups. To further improve your shoulder health and the strength of the muscles of your shoulder, you're going to want to use rowing motions. You can do this either with a dumbbell row or with ring rows or any other variation you can think of. If you're at a gym with cable machines, you can do it that way too. You want to make sure your shoulder blades can retract so that the chest can stay open and the shoulders don't round forward every time you're starting to do push-ups. When you're training rows, doing 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 15 is a pretty good area to start at. You want to use a medium level of resistance. It should feel easy to control and you should feel the fatigue set in as you get to the end, but your form needs to be impeccable the entire time so that you're training good shoulder control and good shoulder position for your push-ups. When the muscles of the front of the chest and shoulders get too stiff and shortened from doing a bunch of push-ups, it's going to lead to dysfunction and it's going to make your shoulders hurt. Likewise, if you allow the muscles of the backs of your shoulders to get too weak, then you're going to find that your shoulders get pulled forward and you start feeling more shoulder pain. So with these exercises I've given you, you're going to be able to pull the shoulders into the right place so that you can do push-ups comfortably. I hope you find these exercises helpful for doing pain-free push-ups, and if you're looking for a program to help you build stronger pain-free shoulders, be sure to check out the link down below and right here up above for the Shoulder Fix program. I'm also going to link to a playlist down below with all my videos on shoulder health, so be sure to check out all those free videos so that you can do push-ups and pull-ups and all that good stuff pain-free. And I have a question for you. What other exercises do you have trouble with your shoulders? Is there something that's bugging you? Let me know what it is in the comment section down below. If you found this helpful, click the like button, share it with someone with shoulder pain, share it on Reddit, please, and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.